Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I blended 3 braiding hairs to give the color I want. So, to custom your braiding hair, just select the colors you want. You have to cut them into equal parts. So I am using color 1 of Darling Hair Extension, color 350 of Lush Hair, and color 27G of just a random braiding hair. So of course you can see I am using different types of braiding hair and it worked out fine. I want to be cutting the hair once into 2 equal parts. I did this for the whole 3 colors and I proceeded to pluck the end of the hair to make it uneven and make it taper so my braids doesn't come off. So you do this all the way, and you will see in the course of the video as I was blending and adding in different colors, I kept placing it on my face just to know when I get the exact color I wanted. When I was done plucking the hair, that was how it looked. It looked like it just looked crazy. So the trick to unravel this easily is after swinging it like that in the air made it loosen up a little bit, and then I start brushing. Using this comb is the easiest I have found to brush this hair. So you start from the end. When I was done with one end, I held it in the middle and brushed the other end, and then before you know, like within a short time, it was already okay. Don't struggle with this hair. Start combing from the tip and move your way upwards towards the middle. Then you hold it in the middle, start combing from the other tip and move towards the middle. When you are done, this helps to take off the remaining tangles in the hair by just separating it and moving it like this, and it also helps to further uneven the ends of the braiding hair, if you get what I mean. And when it's time to blend the hair with other colors, I work in sections that I can manage. So I section off the piece of hair I want, and also bear in mind that I didn't use equal ratio of the different colors. So when making your custom color, you mustn't use, let's say I use 2 to 1 to 1 of the different colors. I use more of this number 27 and a little of this orangey looking color. So I just added smaller ratio of the orange color and mixed it. If I felt like the golden color wasn't enough, I would add more, and I was just careful. The color I wanted to be the least, I was adding it in smaller bits, which is this orangey color. So this is how you blend in the colors. You just keep I don't know the word to use, but you can see what I am doing. At a point I would like spread it flat on my hands before separating it. So you just separate, turn it over as you join it back, separate, turn it over as you join it back, just like that. And then you keep mixing until your desired color, like the way you want it to be. I could have stopped at that first section if I didn't want the color to be like too mixed up, but I wanted the orange to almost disappear. Like I wanted it to just blend in. You can stop at any point you want. This is what custom means. You make it as you want it, so you keep doing what you want. And I wanted it to be a little bit darker towards the back of my head, so I didn't add too much white. I even had a piece where I didn't add white at all. I just used these 2 colors like this. So you can see how it is looking. You can keep blending further until you want it all dissolved, but I just wanted the color here and there, just like this. And then when it was time to add the white, remember I cut all the hair pieces into 2, so I cut it once into 2 equal pieces and plucked it differently. So now I am going to proceed to add white to this mix, and that mix is just part of the one I mixed previously. So you play around with the colors until you get exactly what you want, how you want it. This is fun. When I'm done with mixing the colors, I want to show you how it came out. I will insert a small clip of when I was braiding my hair, how I added the coily piece, and how it came out at the end. So keep watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I promise you I will answer that. And please do not skip the ads as you're watching. That way I can make some money from this video. Thank you. God bless you. Enjoy.